Logistics and supply chain will continue to be a growth sector for the Singapore economy, and more so in the future than ever before. So I think it's very important that Singapore continue to invest in a talent pipeline to help to fuel this growth. And I believe that SUSS, with the course of the Graduate Diploma in Supply Chain Logistics, has come up with something that is pretty holistic in my view, that not only equips the students with the insights and the capabilities and the knowledge of the future of the supply chain, but more importantly, how to thrive in it, how to benefit from it, and from a career perspective as well. I was fortunate enough to be consulted by professors of this graduate diploma, and I shared as much as I can. And from what I saw, I've not seen anything that is as complete and as holistic in Singapore so far for supply chain and logistics modules of core courses. In terms of skill sets, capabilities for the new supply chain in the future, I think traditionally supply chain in Singapore has been predominantly very operational in nature, but moving forward that's not going to be the case. Singapore needs to move up the supply chain, up its value chain, and there will be more ask of supply chain professionals to be more well-versed in areas of digitalization, the green supply chain, and how do we build and design resiliency in the whole supply chain network. And this is something that I think the course addresses by having very specific modules on these various topics, and that is traditionally not very common in the supply chain courses or modules available in the market.